Want to know the best way to view your Windows Live Mail files in seconds? If yes, download BitRecover Windows Live Mail Viewer Wizard. It is a 100% secure and easy-to-use application to view your email files without any problem. If you want to know more about the software, please watch the video. Click on Open button to start the process. Here you can see the dual option to select the Windows Live Mail files. Select Folder and Select File option. We are choosing Select Folder option to select Windows Live Mails. And click on OK button to start the process. Mark the listed folder in Software panel. Mark the required folder and view the emails with details. Here you can see the containing emails in the folder. Click the email to view the message. In the defined preview window, users can preview the complete content of the email with all the details like subject, signature and more. Click on Search button. Here you can see multiple options to search a file like sentence, raw message, between date, etc.